2 people are dead after what eyewitnesses describe as a provocation by members of the police force. Brianna Carr and a man known only as Screechy were allegedly hit from a motorcycle along Mountain View Avenue in the wee hours of Friday.
According to one eyewitness, the group of friends on 3 bikes were heading home when they encountered police officers at the intersection of Dominica Drive and Trinidad Terrace in New Kingston. 2 of the men who were on separate bikes pulled over on Oxford Road when they realized the police were chasing them. However, the 3rd bike did not.
We are right back at them and chase the friend. Side and side the car, side and side the bike. Randomly reach for Mountain View Road. Policemen, monks, in front of the road with them bike, yeah.
Their bodies were found on this bridge and the bike to the side of the road. But the friend alleged that the officers did not stop to acknowledge what had happened or assist them to the hospital.
And I come back, them drive past it like them don't know. Them just fly past it. Yeah.
A passerby helped the group to the hospital, but their troubles didn't end there. One of the original bikers who was trying to assist them ended up breaking his leg after he injured himself when he fell from the pickup truck that was taking them to the hospital.
Wow, the policeman for man up to one. Come represent the man family and be a man. Be a man and come tell the people them. Say it's an accident. Would I believe that all you not drive down the front? Side and side, don't make sense. Side and side, do the back on it. Just come on, come man up.
The sister of the female victim says she's distraught. It was her sister's birthday.
Police is supposed to protect the citizens of Jamaica. They shouldn't be playing judge, jury, and everything else, even if it's after curfew. You get me?
Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.